What's up, y'all? Sport of Tactical Arms. Hey, y'all. So look, right? I ain't get a full chance to finish that video of me shooting that Glock 22. But one thing I did want to get at y'all about because, like I said, my wife was calling and it interrupted the YouTube live, so you know, and it uploaded. So okay, these mags, these two, 15 round regular mags for the 40, right? These magazines, they work, they reliable, 100%. But this magazine right here, this motherfucking magazine right here, y'all, stay the hell away from it. It's called an SGM Tactical Magazine, bro. It's a 31 round extended magazine. Stay the hell away from me, y'all. I'm being serious, y'all. Stay the hell away from me. So I was told that if I get one of these to you know buy one of those wolf springs for it and switch the springs out, and that'll be fine. But look, y'all, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. This bullshit right here, bro. So y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's GM Tactical, man. It's some type of fucking Korea mag, bro. Look, stay away from that bullshit, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from it. As y'all can see on the video, that motherfucker was like it wasn't even chambering the next round. It was ejecting the shell case, but it wasn't chambering the next round. You know, this damn magazine and shit. It wasn't changing the next. It wasn't loading the next round. So I had to keep on, racking the slide back just to make the bullet go in or whatever. So yeah, I don't know about this motherfucking magazine, y'all. You can still buy it. Maybe you might get a lucky one that work good. But other than that, stay the hell away from these magazines. SGM Tacticals magazines. Stay away from them, y'all. Other than that, man, Glock 22. Man, it's a good reliable gun though, y'all. I was shocked though, man, cause it's a police trade in. I was shocked. Like I thought it was gonna jam low key, y'all. But which it did because it is bullshit ass magazine. Stay away from these 31 round to 40 SGM Tactical magazine. Stay away from y'all. Real talk. Stay away from it. It ain't fucking worth it. So damn it. So yeah, man, my damn camera failed, y'all. But it's my little badass son. But yeah, man, these Glock 22s, man. Gun is empty. Empty gun. Oh man. But yeah, all together, man, these 15 rounder magazines, the 15 rounder regular magazines, man, for the 40 Smith and Wesson Glock 22. These motherfuckers, they work good as hell, man. They reliable. You ain't gotta have no worries with these. You know what I'm saying? No worries with them. So, no worries with these, y'all. But it was this goddamn magazine right here. I'm kind of pissed off, but you know, 26, $27 for this damn magazine and it don't fucking work. You know what I'm saying? It's not feeding the next round. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's don't have enough tension. You know what I'm saying? To feed that next round. So yeah, I just think that the spring week, y'all. So I guess. But other than that, man, other than that, everything gets straight though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Everything gets straight, y'all. You know, Glock 22, 40 Smith and Wesson. Get y'all one, man. Real talk. Make sure y'all get one of these, cause it's some great ass firearms. It's magazines like this, magazines like this and shit make these firearms look like shit. You know what I'm saying? Bullshit ass magazine, dog. Don't buy it. Stay away from it, man. What's SGM Tactical? Stay away from it, man. I got it from Cheaper Than Dirt. You know what I'm saying? I got it from there, man. It ain't worth it, y'all. Stay away from it. Come here. Come here. You know, stay away from y'all. Stay away from these goddamn magazines right here, y'all. As y'all can see, look at the video. Look at the video. It was jamming. Like, I ain't even gonna say it was jamming. It was like a failure to feed, you know? Like, it wasn't no stovepipes or nothing. It was just like a failure to feed. Like, it was ejecting the shell case, but it wasn't chambering the next one. So I had to keep, racking the slide to putting another to chamber it again because it wasn't working. I mean, this magazine is like shitty, man. Shitty ass magazine, y'all. Full of shit, man. Stay away from these SGM Tactical 31 rounder, 40 Smith and Wesson. Stay away from it, y'all. I'm serious. Fuck all that. You know what I'm saying? They talking about buy a wolf spring and change out this old spring in here with the wolf spring. Fuck that shit. Look, stay away from these magazines, y'all. Buy the Glocks. Fuck them KCI mags and all that shit from Korea. You know what I'm saying? Fuck them too. Buy Glocks. You know what I'm saying? Buy the Glock. The actual Glock mags that say Glock on the bottom of them. This don't say Glock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. These don't say Glock. They say some other Chinese shit on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from. They made in Korea. Stay away from these bullshit ass magazines, man. You know what I'm saying? Block 22. Hey, y'all, I'm trying to get me another camera, y'all. Straight up. But I'm supposed to be going back to the range soon again. Probably tomorrow or so. I'm not sure, but if I don't go back tomorrow, it'll definitely be like Tuesday or so. Tuesday or Wednesday. Um, and I'll have another video of the Glock 22. It was like the whole time I was shooting, like I was like, I'm like, damn. And then, like I guess I ain't had no service in there, so it's like the video was taking like all this damn life to upload. It was only at 52 minutes, and that was like 10 minutes after the video cut off, y'all. It was only at like, you know, 52%. So I'm just shooting away, missing my whole Glock 22 review. So, I'm gonna have to give y'all another video of this Glock 22, man. But yeah, these little 15 round magazines, the ones that are from Glock, they work, man. They work. Stay away from this bullshit. Stay away from it. I don't care how good it look. Just cause it stick out long in your gun, I don't give a damn. Stay away from it. I wouldn't trust my life with the goddamn magazine at all. After what I experienced today, no. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about that review and about this video. Discussion about the magazines and shit. You know, in the Glock 22. Let me know what y'all think about it. You know, Sport of Tactical Arms out.